This number's your rep when cash gets tight. It speaks before you do, day or night. Treat it like gold, keep that score looking me right. Your credit score's your money rep, man. Don't let it slide from 300 to 850. That number's your guide. Banks don't vibe with mystery. They check 3 big names. Peek deep in your game. They know your spends, your cards, your name. One late slip, that score won't stay the same. Miss a due date, that score takes a dive. Spend to the max, you won't survive. Credit ain't muscle if it can't thrive. Start with a card, keep the limit tight. Pay it off early, you'll sleep at night. Credit's a ladder, climb it right. Use too much, that score's gonna slide. Keep it low like 34, that's your ride. It's not what you spend, it's what you hide. Old cards age fine like finance wine. The longer they live, the better you shine. History talks, banks read every line. Payment, usage, time and blend. Each piece counts, it all depends. Score like sushi, gotta balance the ends. Hard pull hits while your score takes a dip. Too many checks and lenders might skip. Be wise what you sign, protect that grip. One late pay, that score's in flames. Banks don't care about fortune or fame. Be clock sharp, on time wins the game. Hard pull hits, your score takes a dip. Too many checks, and lenders might skip. Be wise what you sign, protect that grip. Balance too high, your score gets wrecked. Keep it low, show lenders respect. Under 30%, that's the flex. Old cards age like vintage wine. They build your score, that credit spine. Don't close them quick, let history shine. Just the minimum, you'll stay in debt. Years go by, still ain't paid it yet. Pay more head, escape that sticky net. Mix it right, that credit blend. Cards and loans help scores ascend. 2-1 type, might need to amend. Pull too hard, your score might dip. Every app's a fingerprint slip. Plan your shots, don't let it slip. Old cards, they build your age. Close them down, you lose that page. Keep them chill in the air, earn that wage. Every tick you miss can bend that score. Pay on time, that's how you soar. Your history speaks, can't ignore. Cards and loans, you need that blend. Different tools make credit mend. Mix it right, your score ascend. Each check leaves a mark, tread with care. Too many hits, your score goes bare. Choose your pulls, be wise, be rare. Small card, big rise, it's your start. No flex, just build that credit chart. Step by step, now play it smart. 1 miss, then 2 rep, the credit ghosts creep. They cling to your file, they mess with your sleep. Pay on time or the damage runs deep. Push it too far, the score says no. Keep it light, let your balance flow. Stay under 30, let your credit glow. Spend it smart, and the perks unlock. Miles and cash back, that's the talk. But pay in full, or you'll miss the walk. Buying a car or renting that place, your credit score shows up in your face. Keep it strong, it wins you the race. Build it slow, protect the core. Swipe it smart, don't beg for more. Credit game mastered, time to soar.